Hey guys, so it's time for another day of Vlogmas, and I thought I would tell you guys too, this collagen I've been using, I'm actually going to take a break from it and see if it's what's causing my stomach issues. I have been, for like 2 weeks now, my stomach's been upset daily, and it's not like tremendously bad. It's just like every time I eat, my stomach's getting upset. So I don't know what it is exactly, but I started my new collagen with the prebiotic fiber about 2 weeks ago. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's that, I don't know. So that's the easiest thing to cut out and see, you know, after a few days, is it getting better? And if not, I don't know, I may have to do like some type of food allergy test or something. So yeah, I'm making my coffee but without collagen today, and we'll see if after a few days there's any change. I want to go back to my Vital Proteins, but I didn't want to waste the collagen that I did have. But for now, I'm gonna have coffee. I'm gonna have a kind of a lazy day. I am going to edit. I have something to edit. I have a skincare thing to edit for Instagram, and then I also have my 2-part vlog, and then I do have my weekly wind down, which is probably going to be a beast to edit. So I don't know if I'll start that today or tomorrow, but I will start it early on and get it ready before time to go up. It's also 2 days until my birthday. My birthday's on the 16th, but you'll see my birthday vlog the day after. I don't really anticipate doing much of anything. We may go to dinner. I don't know though for sure with everything going on. The Mexican place we went to last night was like hardly anybody in there, and they have it spaced out, and it's, you know, you don't feel too unsafe going there, but you know, I don't know, a lot of places just seem like business as usual when you go out to eat, so I don't know. It's okay if not. It's just a birthday, whatever.
What are you doing, buddy? Minnows? Minnows! Hey! Minnows! Hi. Oh, you were rushing to see? Thank you. Oh. I'm sorry, babies. What's up? Hi. Mwah! Sweet boy. You want to give kisses? Mwah! Sweet Sally Wally. Baby. My little baby. Let me love you. Let me love you. Yeah. What you always... Okay, we're gonna say bye for now. Okay? Okay. Boom. Encourage.
I'm trying to get Sniffles to share this bench with me. Hi, baby. So Sniffles is over here. See that tail? She's been laying on the bench, so I had to steal her spot. But I thought we would open Boxycharm Premium. It's late at night. I don't know what has gotten into me, but I have messed my schedule all up, and I was totally ready to sit down and film at like 11 o'clock at night. I don't know what's going on with me. And I was like, I thought I had everything right in my head of what's in the box. So I was doing my makeup and I put on something that's in the box. And then I was like, well, I can just do a little powder. So anyway, we're kind of trying it on, a couple things, not so much. But this is my Boxycharm Premium, so $35 a month, 6 to 7 items. And we have a lot of stuff in here. Now this looks like a really good box. So first of all, you guys know I love Glam Glow, so there's absolutely nothing wrong with these, but I was told that these were being discontinued a while back. So I got 2 masks. We got the Eye Boost Reviving Sheet Mask and Glow Lace Radiance Boosting Hydration Mask. So this is a set. It says it's $18. Now I do think these are really cool, like nothing wrong with that. The Eye Boost I always thought was neat because it kind of looks like a superhero type of vibe. And then the Glow Lace is really pretty. So I'll definitely use these, like I'll get use out of them, but it's just one of those instances where, and I've seen this before, it's like in a subscription, you're sometimes getting things that are being discontinued, or maybe people just aren't buying as much, which on one hand, I totally get it. It's a great way to get rid of it from like, hello hair. My hair was so, look, one side's completely fallen out, the other side's all curly. And then I tried to like, I was like, well, if this side's gonna fall out, I'll just make this side fall out. And this side was like, no, if my hair looks crazy, that's why, it's whatever. But yeah, on the other hand, I'm like, you know, we know. I did go ahead and use one product. This is the LMS Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. Now this is a hydrating sleep mask. I went ahead and put it on my face before makeup just so that I could give you guys my first initial thoughts. This smells nice. It's not overpowering the scent, but you can smell it, and it does smell really nice, and it feels great on the skin. Like my skin was very plump feeling. Is So this goes for $65. I actually would have expected maybe a little bit more, but it has a biomimetic veil, clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. So we like that. I may use it again after I take this makeup off, like in 20 minutes when I'm done filming. I'm excited about that. It feels nice on the skin. I mean, so far so good. The next product, let's talk about this because I totally forgot I had this. This is from True and Luscious. I've never heard about this brand. It's the Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. At first I was like, okay, I don't know who this is, but it is really pretty. So I'm excited to show you guys. And it's a big palette. It's got some really big pans in here and it looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of this because I started putting on all my face products and then I was like, damn it, I have a palette for my face. So I'm gonna put on the shade Good Fortune.
And bro, I cannot. Why are you doing this to me, bitch? Look here.
I really need to tell them that I need a different light. Okay, so let's do Good Fortune. I'm gonna do a little bit of like an all over bronze so I can see how it does all over the face. That was a little strong right there. This is a pigmented bronzer for sure. Okay, I just really went in like all over my face. Okay. All right, let's try this blush. Damn it! Royal Flush is this blush right here. Looks like a little peachy. What is Triple Heaven supposed to be? It looks like bronzer with a shimmer in it. Oh, it's just like a darker highlight. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a deep highlight, but it's really pretty. So Heaven Sent is the lighter of the two highlights. It's a little bit powdery, but I'm not mad at it. So this goes for $46. I mean, I feel like that's a little bit high for what I'm experiencing right now, but I will try it again. We'll try it more and I'll see how it goes. But 46 seems a little bit high. If it was like 30, I would be like, yeah, it's a really good product. So we do have a palette from Viseart and I have a really hard time remembering my Viseart palettes. I'm gonna look really quick and see. I don't know if I just like thought about ordering it and I didn't, but this is the Neutral Matte. Looks really pretty. So these palettes retail for $80. I'm not really gonna rush out and buy this palette for $80 for sure, but if it was like a really good deal, I would get it because I know their quality is good. We also got a Crown brush, All Eyes on You 5-piece luxe brush set. These are vegan and cruelty free. I'm sure that's washing everything out. The set's in plastic and then each brush is in plastic. So really interesting. They have these little slanted bottoms. I just thought I would point that out. It's cute. It's got their little logo on the bottoms and the bristles look really pretty. They're like a gray that fades into this white. So this 5-piece brush set goes for $35. Crown brushes are nice, but once again, I think it's a little high for 5 eye brushes. I don't know. You can just get so many good deals on brushes that I am just not one to spend full price on most brushes. I think I'm gonna start with this very neutral. Ooh. All right, we have this Elizabeth Mott Volumizing Mascara. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera because that took me a little while and then I'm like, ooh, how do I feel about this? I think once I get everything done, it'll come together. But this is the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. Here's the mascara. It says this goes for $20. I have a couple eyeliners from this brand that I like, so maybe I'll like this too. I feel like this look will need some lashes, but I don't know if I'm trying to commit to all that tonight. It's an interesting formula. It doesn't feel clumpy. It's actually pretty thin feeling. All right, so there's the mascara. This is actually really pretty. So I'm gonna do my other eye without the camera on so it doesn't take so long, and I'll be right back. So this is my look. I do have to say this palette, I mean, not surprisingly, Viseart is amazing, but it performed beautifully. And I know the darker like hot pink in the middle of the eye or in the inner corner might not be your thing, but this palette performed so beautifully that I actually really love the eye look. I have on some Lava Lashes faux mink lashes to kind of just top it off. I wanted to take a cute picture and just felt like it needed lashes. So I love the palette and the brushes. I used 4 of the 5 brushes. They performed really well too. I think I definitely got my $35 worth, even like for the Viseart palette or for the LMS Plumping Pillow Facial. Either one of these, I definitely got my money's worth. And the brushes were also very good. The face palette was pretty good. And we got 2 eye masks and the mascara. The mascara was okay. It was a different type of formula. I feel like I need to play with it a bit more and maybe curl my lashes a little bit more before I use it again. But it's one of those like very stringy, thin, but kind of like, yeah, stringy. I was trying to say thin, stringy. Anyway, it just kind of like stretches a lot, which can be good for a lot of length, but I just feel like I didn't take enough time with it because I figured I was going to pop on lashes. But so far I do like it. It's really pretty on my lower lashes, and it was pretty before, as you guys saw, but I think I might like it once I use it a few times and it starts to dry out a bit. I'm definitely that person that likes a slightly dry mascara. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. The overall value is pretty high.
Does somebody want to say hi?
Oh, come on. Okay, darling. Okay. Oh, you're so sweet. Let's do a thumbnail. Okay. Okay, the total like value is going to be like really high up there because of these really 2 expensive items. $264 if my math is correct, but well over $200, and for $35 I do think it was a good deal. Tomorrow is the day before my birthday, and I'm going to have my mom come pick me up while Zach is at work, and we're going to do a little Christmas shopping for my dad and Zach. I don't know what to get either one of them. I was like, kind of like, I saw that like there's this like blue and red Nintendo Switch, but I don't really know what that is. Like, can you tell me about it? And he was like, don't give me that. But I think he wants it, you know, so I don't know. It was sold out though at Target, and everywhere else was like higher priced or something. And he was like, but the light one, you can do this, but you can't do that. I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about. But, you know, it's like, why buy the okay one for $200 and just buy the really good one for $300? So I don't know. He's acting like he don't want it, but you know, do I believe him or not? Anyway, thank you guys so much for being with me. So as it's getting closer to my birthday, this year's birthdays are different. I mean, almost everyone has experienced a birthday, or most people. And while this has been going on, if you've had a birthday this year, you know it's been a little different. I don't know that we're going to do anything at all, but it had me thinking on my noggin. It had me thinking about just how grateful I am for you guys. So if you made it to the end, leave me a balloon or a birthday cake emoji. I know this isn't my birthday vlog. It's going to be the day before, and you're not going to see my actual birthday vlog until the day after. My birthday's on the 16th, so it's actually tomorrow, but yeah, I mean, it's whatever. But I just want to say thank you for you guys. I'm really grateful for you, and even though, you know, this year has been tough in so many ways for so many people, you guys are still like a big positive area in my life, so thank you so much. I appreciate it. So leave me some balloons and birthday cake emojis to let me know that you actually were here at the end of this video when I was talking about this, and yeah, it means a lot to me. I hope you guys have an amazing day and night and week and month. I can't believe we're so far into Vlogmas. Like, it's practically like over. So thank you again, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's episode of Vlogmas. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.